Understanding, held in high regard, unlocking English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read in various contexts. Held in high regard. It's a phrase that can add nuance and depth to your understanding and use of English, whether you're writing, speaking, or simply trying to grasp the essence of conversations around you. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned. Held in high regard is a phrase that describes a person, place, thing, or idea that is greatly respected or admired by others. When someone is held in high regard, it means they are looked up to because of their qualities, achievements, or character. It's a form of high esteem or high respect that is not given lightly and signifies a deep appreciation or acknowledgement of someone's value or impact. Using held in high regard in sentences can elevate your language, allowing you to express respect or admiration more profoundly. It is often used in professional, academic, or formal settings but can also be found in more casual conversations when discussing someone's reputation or the quality of something. Examples: the professor is held in high regard by both her peers and her students for her groundbreaking research. This museum is held in high regard for its extensive collection of ancient artifacts. Our grandmother's wisdom and kindness are held in high regard by everyone in the family. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your ability to express the concept of being held in high regard in different contexts. Some synonyms include highly esteemed, greatly admired, respected, valued. Each of these can be used depending on the context and the nuance you wish to convey. The phrase, held in high regard, can be applied to various contexts, from personal relationships to professional achievements. Its significance can change slightly depending on the situation, emphasizing the importance of understanding the context in which it's used. Recognizing the context helps in appreciating the depth of respect or admiration being expressed. I hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be held in high regard, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations or writings. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and emotions they convey. Being held in high regard is a testament to someone's impact on others, a badge of honor that speaks volumes. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty and depth of the English language with us.